Hey everybody, welcome to another video of Trading with Jackie. I'm Jackie Panetta. So today's video I'm going over the compound plan that I had modified from the original Pipology plan that was shown on the Pipology TV YouTube channel. Shout out to Los, Bobby, and Jeremy for that. And in that original plan, they had a 12-month plan, compound plan, where it showed you how you could start with either $100, $500, or $1,000 and make a six-figure income in 12 months. So I went ahead and took that plan. It was based on a monthly thing, and I broke it down into 52 weeks. All right, because it's a little bit easier for me to have my goals set out weekly. And then I even broke it down a little bit further by utilizing software, EAs and manual trading software to achieve that goal. Okay, so I have that plan. Now I actually then updated it a little bit differently, and the sole focus is on manual trading in this plan. And it's using it for AIRO, the indicator, the manual trading indicator that a lot of us are using now. So this plan right here is centered more around manual trading and utilizing AIRO to achieve your goals. Okay. Now, I have this plan created with both an aggressive model and a conservative model. In addition to that, I do keep the three initial investment funds for $100 or $500 or $1,000. Okay, each plan still has you meeting the six-figure income goal within 12 months, within a year. Okay, it's just that depending on your level of investment is how long it takes you to get there. All right, so on each plan I have the same columns. We have the trading lot size. So this lot size is what I suggest should be used for the account balance that is being started with. All right. The next one is your weekly profit. That's how much you're supposed to have made within the week. And I have a little note that says your weekly pip goal is 150 pips. I also have it stated here that you're trading 3 days a week. You're doing either Monday through Wednesday or Tuesday through Thursday. Either or. Okay, but pick a 3 days. Don't do 5 days in a week because I don't want you to overtrade. Okay, only do those additional days if you found that you have not met your weekly pip goal. Okay, but in trading with the 150 pips per week is very doable because if you're utilizing metals or commodities or indices, you can be able to achieve that 150 pip goal very easily. If not, then you're using currency pairs. You just need to do more trades. That's all there is to it. But it's very, very easily achievable. All right. Now, so that's the weekly profit. Then the next thing is your starting account balance, and then your net balance, which is your starting balance plus your profit equals the net amount paid out to me. This will not get populated until you complete your compound plan goals. Meaning when you reach the level of generating that six-figure income, that's when this field starts getting populated. Then I list the weeks so you know how many weeks you're in to be able to get that. Any comments I post, here's the dates. So I actually have this starting this week coming up, this trading week, the week of Christmas. I'm actually starting this plan, and I'm going to be having it being follows. I'm going to link my FX Blue and all that great stuff because I really like the way I set it up this time. It seems a little bit more easily doable. And with AIRO coming out with strategies, it looks like it will help me achieve my goals a little faster and safer. I'm all for this, okay? You can change this and just put it to your start date. This first field should just be your start date, and then the rest of the subsequent fields will change. And this is all based on Friday ending week, okay? My comment here is just talking about if you don't want to have any fees, then you should just use any manual trading strategies that you have. Otherwise, you're going to have to pay for the indicator of AIRO, and then I list the monthly cost. And I do not have it listed inside any of these numbers because it's an outside cost. It's an investment, okay? Your investment in the use of AIRO to build you a compound plan account. That account is going to eventually go ahead and make you the money that you want to make. So therefore, you need to make sure that you hit everything that is on the goal and make sure it's complete. Okay? Now, with that all being said, the next thing you want to do is ensure that you follow the lot size, and then you also want to make sure you don't overtrade, okay? As soon as you hit your goal, come out of the market. That's all you got to do, okay? Now, the understanding part here, this little comment just says anything if you want to learn more about a funded account, just go ahead and at me and I can talk to you guys about funded accounts and how to get one. Alright, so because one of the main things is if you practice with AIRO enough, you don't necessarily need to solely build your compound plan just based off of trading it. You can actually fund your plan faster by using a funded account. Whole big thing, that's a whole nother video. We could talk about it another time. Alright, so but once you on this one right here, we're going to go to the aggressive tab, and in that tab, if you scroll down, you'll see that in week 20 you achieve your goal. Okay, 20 weeks on a $100 account, you achieve the goal of generating a 6-figure income. That is phenomenal. It's less than 6 months. Okay, less than 6 months. You can go through the math and you can see. The problem is this: the lot size is not a problem if you follow the rules of AIRO in the strategy. If you can maintain that 80% winning accuracy that the bag strategy gives you, these lot sizes do not matter. Okay? Because you should be able to achieve it. Alright? Now, that's what I want to make sure you know on that. $100 aggressive, 20 weeks. $100 conservative plan, you just go to it, same thing, everything's the same. However, it takes you 44 weeks to get in there. Okay? 44 weeks. Still less than a year. Still less than a year. Barely, but still less. Like 2 months shy. So it takes you like 10 months to make 6 figures. That ain't bad, y'all. That ain't bad at all. Okay? And then if you make any more than that during these weeks as well, you can pay yourself out. But as long as your balance follows this balance, you're good. Okay? Now, that's the $100. Let's go with $500. Clicking on it. Boom. 15 weeks. That's like 4 months, y'all. If you start with $500 on an aggressive plan, that's 4 months that take you to make 6 figures. Check the math. You'll see what I'm talking about. Same thing. Aggressive means I'm doubling the lot size every 2 weeks. Alright? Now, conservative, $500. You get it done in 26 weeks. A little bit about 6.5 months. That's still fantastic. In 6.5 months, even on a conservative plan, with a $500 investment, you could generate a 6-figure income. That's powerful, y'all. Put a little bit more in and get a little bit more safer with your trading, and you'll still achieve that goal within less than 7 months. Come on, y'all. Follow the math. Same thing. Here's 1K aggressive. You see it? Week 13, 3 months. Aggressive. Conservative. Week 23. 6 months with the 1K. Conservative. The other one, $500, it was like closer to 7 months. You shaved like 2 weeks off. Going an extra $1,000. I mean, excuse me, going up to $1,000. Okay? So, I just wanted to make sure, hopefully this helped you guys with the plan and following it. Just choose your investment level and then just hide the rest of the tabs so you can focus only on your investment level. But make sure you choose aggressive or conservative. I would actually prefer conservative. That's the plan that I am going to be following off of the $100 because I just want to make sure that I keep it very, very simple and then move on. You know, I'm trying to build things conservatively, but I do understand that there are other traders that want to be aggressive about it and go for it. I can be aggressive too. Well, I'm following the conservative plan for the $100 account. So that's what you're going to see me doing. Okay? Alright, so starting at this week, hopefully this answers any questions. If y'all want to holler at me, you can just go ahead and DM me on Telegram at JACPIN2002. If you want to learn more about getting a funded account and maybe utilizing AIRO in order to achieve your financial goals utilizing that, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, and you can go ahead and also add me if you have any questions about that. Okay, and of course, if you are new and you have not used AIRO and are interested in it, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below so that you can get AIRO. Alright, so hopefully this answers a lot of questions. Hopefully if you guys are interested in following this plan, I will look forward to seeing everybody's results. You know, hopefully, I'm probably not going to do another video next week. That's why I'm dropping 2 this week. And hopefully you guys stay safe, be healthy, and happy holidays to you. Take care.